All right, so I'm out here today testing out rates. I think I've nailed down rates for my tiny whip here. It's a mix of the intermediate rates. That's kind of what it's based on, off of squatting quads, which is what I had my last video on. But on top of that, I kind of just bumped up the I'll have it up on screen probably, but I bumped up the center sensitivity, so it gives me that more like reaction that I'm looking for and at the center. And then some expo on it as well, maybe a tad less than what the intermediate rates had. And then I also lowered the max, and then slightly different on the yaw, because like on the yaw I thumb with the throttle, and so I actually want to not move too far with the thumbs when it comes to yawing, so I bumped up the sensitivity there. And for me, the real test is, because I haven't done it yet on the Air65, and nor have I done it with these rates, to test the rates I'd like to see if I can trippy spin, because a trippy spin involves, you know, a lot of control during that middle of the stick point, and so I want to see if these rates can hold up to that, because I already know I can fly at least accurately in close quarters with these rates, but let's see if it can actually handle a trippy spin. So let's see what happens here. I got no great liftoff point here. I didn't bring my pad with me today. Guess I'll just put on the most flattest part here with all the gravel here. All right, so got myself a big ass pole so that I have room for mistakes, and yeah, let's get into it. Go upside down, and it can spin, kind of. I'm kind of nervous, so that's probably why it didn't look so great. Let me try the other direction. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, no, that's on me. So let's find the drone and try that again, eh? I could go to turtle mode, but there's too much mud and stuff here. I don't want to get it all dirty, and these props too are like super light, meaning there's no durability. So if I turtle mode on the wrong branch here, gotta face myself, just turn around first. All right, cool. Well, shall we try again? So maybe get a head start here, momentum to throw me. Look at that, we're spinning. Cool, so that worked. I think, nice, kind of liked it. The real test is after this, then I should do a trippy spin with the rewind and then go in the other direction, right? So that'll be what's after, and I think I'll do it on a fresh battery pack. So I'm just gonna drain this battery pack right now, have some fun. One thing I did do is I changed the motors out, because I already have the 0702's 30,000 kV. So this is not quite the Air65 freestyle, right? It would be, oh shoot, it'd be, you know, that voltage that just catches me off guard quite a bit, and there's some wind happening as well, so just gotta fight against that. But going to 30,000, like when I initially switched, I thought I was going crazy because I thought I had something wrong with the throttle, and it's just because there is so much more power available, or so much more thrust, that I originally thought that I fucked up the job, but nope, or my configuration, but no, that's just 30,000 kV versus 23,000 kV. It makes a difference. All right, cool. Well, you know what? I'm okay with switching out the batteries here. I brought quite a bit with me today. Let's try to get a perfect trippy spin here, so I could show y'all what that looks like. Or, well, really just to prove to myself that these rates are the correct rates for me. Because so far, I am sucking hard. You know, there you go, there you go. I dropped a lot there though, so not ideal, but we are doing it, friends. And we will switch sides. Cool, well there you go. was able to get that trippy spin off. And yeah, I feel good. It wasn't the rates. The rates are fine. It was just me the whole time. So I just suck. One trick I'm practicing more of is just getting comfortable flying backwards, meaning I will be working on my boomerangs, going in from one. I always see people pull this off with ease, so I want to make it look nice and smooth too when I do it. And for me, the just spang flying is probably going to be what I aim towards. Like, that's why I want my rates nice and crispy and not too much expo, because I really like again, that kind of robotic feel when you're flying. So I'll be working on that, and like snap turns with like slow flat out yaws mixed in between tricks to still working on it, so it's gonna take a while, and I wouldn't be doing a lot of it on the tiny whip, though that would be pretty sweet. But that's why I'm building out a 2inch drone on analog, so that I can work on that. I find I'm totally sure I could probably pull it off on an Air65 with enough practice, but it just doesn't have enough momentum to drive itself forward to keep going, to make those sexy yaw spins look good, right? When you like reverse around, because you kind of need that momentum in Smang, so that you can like play off of it and put in rolls, do whatever, and that's probably like months away before I can even make it look good. I can't even make normal freestyle look good, whatever that even means. So here's to more practice. But one thing I feel like I got out of the way is that I found my rates.